Adani Group of companies loses 1.91 trillion rupees in the last 5 trading sessions. Gautam Adani's net worth has fallen from $76.7 billion to $63.5 billion. That is, he lost $13 billion in the last 5 trading sessions. At the beginning of the week, he was the second richest Asian and he was just $7.5 billion away from gaining the first spot, which belongs to Mr. Mukesh Ambani right now. Well, I believe this has nothing to do with Adani's fall. What's your take on this? Comment below. How did it all begin? So this all began with Economic Times reported that NSDL, that is the National Security Depository Limited, had frozen 3 Mauritius-based foreign accounts which are the investors as a foreign investors in Adani Group. In addition to this, Suchita Dalal, the journalist who has exposed the Harshad Mehta scam, that is the scam 1992, also tweeted something like this. This has also impacted the Adani Group's fall. So after these 2 incidents, the Adani Transmission Limited, Adani Total Gas and Adani Power stocks had fallen 20%, and the Adani Enterprises, which is the flagship of the company, had fallen around 6.78%. How Adani Group reacted to this? Adani Group had completely turned down these media reports and said these reports are blatantly erroneous. Adani Group said the accounts holding the Adani shares are not frozen. Even an NSDL official who is anonymous, he has not revealed his identity, said the freeze is not new. He even added that the funds have multiple accounts and the Adani shares are held in different accounts, means in the accounts that are not frozen. More about the funds. Albula Investment Fund, Cresta Funds, APS Investment Funds. These are all the 3 funds whose accounts were frozen. And these are all the 3 funds whose registered address is the same in Mauritius. There are also 2 more funds who are investors in the Adani Group, that is the Asia Investment Corporation and LTS Investment Funds. These are also registered on the same address. And more importantly, there is no website registered for all these 5 funds. Nobody found a website for all these 5 funds, and all the numbers that were registered for all these 5 firms went unanswered when the tutors called them, the reporters called them. Nobody answered the phone calls on the numbers registered for these 5 funds. Analyst says that there should be more clarity on the ownership of these shares. What's your take on this? Is it going towards another scam, or the shares of Adani will still be falling in the next session? What's your take on this? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please share it.